approach to pedagogy is vital for accomplishing the goals of vocational education through learning by doing. करेक्ट आंसर है लर्नर. Next question. Vocational education and training in India is being made aspirational by mobilizing greater participation of youth and reducing the dash between the demand and supply. Correct answer is mismatch. Next question. In India, the National Skills Qualification Framework has dash levels. Correct answer is 10. OJT stands for on the job dash. Correct answer is training. Next question. According to the National Education Policy 2020, the focus areas for vocational education will be chosen based on skills gap analysis and mapping of local opportunities. Correct answer. Next question. Dash will be formulated by the General Education Council and it shall be in sync with the NSQF. करेक्ट आंसर है नेशनल हायर एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन फ्रेमवर्क. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which model according to NEP 2020 will be used to set up the skill labs in the schools in order to allow other schools to use the facility? Correct answer है hub and spoke. Hub and spoke. Next question. The recognition of qualification awarded to learners by the industry or employers across the country depends on correct answer है the skill standards and delivery of VET. Next question. Challenges that VET faces: negative perception and image of VET in society, lack of awareness among the stakeholders, mismatch between the skills demand and supply, shortage of qualified and professionally trained vocational teachers and trainer. Correct answer है first, second, third and fourth. Next question. Inquiry based, project based and collaborative learning are dash approaches. Correct answer है pedagogical approaches. Next question. A separate Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was created in correct answer is 2014. Next question. Vocational dash will help students to learn about various occupations and career options in the world of work. Correct answer है awareness. Next question. According to National Education Policy 2020, internship opportunities to learn about vocational subjects may be made available to students throughout grade 6 to 12th. Next question. NAT stands for correct answer is National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. Next question. Work-based learning allows students to link knowledge, skills and understanding with dash requirements. Correct answer is workplace. Next question. The National Education Policy 2020 highlights restructuring of pedagogy, which focuses on learning to learn and learning by dash to bring about a radical departure from the existing culture of rote learning. Correct answer is doing. Next question. The framework for recognition of prior learning for recognizing the learning experience acquired outside a formal setting and providing a government certificate for an individual skill will be provided under the correct answer is National Skills Qualification Framework. Next question. According to National Education Policy, a dash for the integration of vocational education will be formed to review the state of vocational education and perspective planning. Correct answer is committee. Next question. In vocationalization of education dash for Vocations will help students participate in activities that integrate academic skills with vocational skills. Correct answer है preparation. Next question. According to National Education Policy 2020, by the year 2025, at least dash of learners shall have vocational exposure through school and higher education. Correct answer है 50%. Next. In this way, we have done all the 20 and our score is 20 out of 20. अब हम next attempt करेंगे.